So today I'm getting a tattoo that represents something or people very special to me. When I was in high school, I auditioned for the all-state choir, and we had an audition song that was this really old school hymn, and I had to know it without music, and I practiced it so much that still after 25 years, I still sing this song in the shower almost every single day. I'm gonna get this powerful song, this powerful quote, if you will, these lyrics on the strongest part of my body so that every single day it brings me power. I love it. I think it's just so amazing.
I think you should do it like this.
It's so good. It's so good.